Hello YouTube. I guess this video will be showing me installing this horn. That's supposed to be 600 decibels that I got off of Amazon, but we'll see. Although I do not like the way that it is wired up to this relay. You know, because it just comes off and there's a ground and a power out of it. So I'm going to have to rewire that, because I'm assuming at the moment, without looking closer, that this is the power and then this is the ground for the motor part. So I'm going to have to rewire it to wire the relay correctly so I can connect it to my existing horn and have it go off with my existing horn. But I'm not sure whether I want to have it run separately to my factory horn on my truck, or if I want to integrate it into the horn where I can just flick it on and off and then use it when I press my horn, or like I said, have a different switch altogether. But yeah, I don't like this. I'm gonna have to cut some of these wires and then wire it up properly. I don't know why they even bother doing this if that's the way they're going to wire it. Unless they could just have it there for you could do it however you want it. But why not just, you know, have the wires coming out and, you know, you do what you do with it instead of this goofy setup. So stay tuned. I have a diagram for how to wire this correctly, and then I will do that. But yeah, hopefully this will be a good video, and we'll see. Okay, now I've already taken apart the connector for the relay that's on the horn setup, because like I said, I didn't like the way it was set up, so I'm going to have to rewire it. And here is the diagram for the relay, for all relays that are similar. So I'm going to wire it up just like that. I'm just going to connect it up, and I'm not going to show you the whole process, but I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, everything's connected up like it should be. Colors might not be right, like this is supposed to be, you know, red, and this one is supposed to be black for ground, because this is going to go to the ground. That's the positive for the device, as is here. Yes, I have it upside down, but that's the way the connector's set up here. You know what I mean? And then this goes to the trigger wire. That's your ground for the relay, and the positive for the relay. So those two wires are correct colors, but you know, I just reuse the wires that were already here. I'll have to extend them, but like I said, this is the trigger wire, this is the ground, this is the positive for the horn itself. So that's all set up. I just got to take out a train horn that I already have in my truck, and I'll put this in its place. Plus, I still have to find another thing that I wanted to connect up at the same time. It's a Wolo wolf whistle, and I got to figure out where I'm going to mount that, and I have to find it too. So stand by, I'll get to it. Okay, I found the Wolo wolf whistle, it said, and I did figure out what I wanted to do with this. I'm going to put it on a separate toggle switch, momentary switch, one of these. These, they 3M taped wherever you put it. I'm still not comfortable drilling into parts on my truck. I mean, I could do it, but I still don't want to. So I'm just going to use these One for the wolf whistle, and then one for this horn. So instead of having this with my regular horn, like I currently have the train horn now that I'm going to take out, put this in its place. Okay, first I got to take out the air box. So first we'll disconnect this. Push it up this way and pull it out. Anyway, let's see here if we can. There we go. That's all I need for the time being. Filter looks clean. That's good. Now, take this off. I grabbed the wrong socket. Hold on. Well, the wrong wrench, rather. I knew that it was a 13. I just happened to put the wrong one away. Alrighty. Do the rest by hand. Yep. Come out. That is free from there. Pop this out, screwdriver. And that little nub, I can get in there. Oops. I have a tool for this. I'll go get it. All should come out in one piece, I hope. But there's this connected to it. So how am I going to do this? I did it before. So this will come off. I don't know if you've seen that. I wasn't paying attention when I had the camera pointed on. Get in there. Almost. There we go. Okay, I just pulled it off the bracket there instead of disconnecting it. So this should come right out now. So, okay, everything fit like it was supposed to. I just got to put this back in. Got it all bolted up. And it's a little tight, but it fits. After I get this screwed in here, I will show you. And then nice and tight. Another one. There we go, it's tight. This one. Okay. Now look, a little tight down there, but it fits. And I gotta figure out how to get all these other wires too. At least I already have stuff connected to them. The power. That's the ground. That's the trigger. This is the ground. So just connect this ground to that ground. Be good to go. This I have to get rid of. Like I said, that came straight from the factory horns. So I'll get rid of that. Okay. My battery ran out, so I did not record. Plus it was a pain to I drilled a hole where I was putting that self-tapper. And then just used one of the bolts from the other horn to put there, secure the wolf whistle. So now basically all I gotta do is wire everything up. and figure out how I'm getting it through the firewall. Alrighty, I need to take some more of this stuff off to get this whole thing off. This is pointless now. I guess I'll take these bolts out so I can pull the grill forward a little bit. In order to take the whole thing out, I gotta take off this, which there are screws on the inside of the wheel well, and then I can get at the bolts that are underneath here so I can take out the grill, which I don't feel I need to do. Okay, should be able to pull it forward a little bit. Ooh, shit. That wasn't good. Wow. Yeah, very little bit. Okay, let's try this again. Put it at the right spot. And this one. Yeah, it was a pain, but I got that little panel off. Now there's the bolts. There were bolts in here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, just apparently not that size. Okay, got it out. The other side out. It's a pain to do it with one hand. So now I just gotta disconnect these connectors. This one's for the ambient air temperature, maybe? No. One's for louvers, one's... yeah, I don't know. Yeah, maybe that is the ambient air temperature. Come on. And then get this off too. Come on, come out. If you need to. There we go. Alrighty, that was fun. Got stuck on the rubber. It's on the bumper. Right here. This is what I gotta do. Take off this yellow wire. Okay, a couple of these. There. One there. I did this really good, didn't I? Now the only thing that you might not like is this little T. That's what I put in so that way I could get to that. But oh well, it worked. it was good. Now it's time to take it off. Okay, how does this thing come off? I'll use a socket instead. Okay, now I'm putting this fusible link in there, inline fuse. I do not have a fuse in it at the moment. Alrighty, tighten down, put it back on, and see, no fuse in it. Okay, time being, I have power wire butt connected up to another wire, black wire. Sorry it's not red, I don't have any red. I feel like going out. I have it coming through here, and I'm going to have it basically zip tied the same way as I had that yellow wire. Run over here, and for now, okay? Okay, we're wired in. And zip tied, as you can see, all the way over. So now I can put the grill back on. Alrighty, grill's back in. Just gotta put on bottom piece here. Alrighty, that's back in. Bolts are in on both sides. This cover's back on. I put these two in because that goes for here. And now I still gotta run wires into the cab through the firewall and then connect everything up together. Okay, now I have everything wired together, a lot of loom on it. Yeah, I didn't record it because it was taking forever, and this video is probably going to be really long anyway, which I'd rather not do. Put back into there, and now all I got to do is put in the air box and connect everything up. Yeah, here we go. Still loose. Oh, maybe not. These back where they go. You can't see. And back here. And these. Come on, get in there. These are in right. Looks like it. Okay. That's tight. Alright, the only thing is I gotta put a fuse in there when I get everything on the inside connected up. Alright, sorry I did not record again everything, but I have it wire loomed and up under here, and these are my two switches, one for the wolf whistle, the other for the other horn. I don't know if I can do it too much, I annoy the neighbors, but that's how that is. And thank you for watching, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you have anything to say, give me something down below in the comment section, and hopefully I can get this video out quick and another one out too. Alright, there.